Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power on the PS4 and open settings, then network. You need the SSID and password ready, type them exactly. Passwords are case sensitive. If the router is dual band, decide whether to use 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Once done, choose Setup Internet Connection and select Use Wi-Fi. Make sure you are near the router to minimize interference. Then pick Easy for automatic setup and scan for your network. You will now complete the detailed steps. After selecting your SSID, enter the Wi-Fi password and press X. If the network is hidden, choose Setup manually and type SSID and security type. For most users, choose Automatic IP and do not use for proxy. If you need better routing or speed, switch to manual and set static IP and custom DNS. Get values from your router or ISP. Once configured, test the internet connection to confirm IP, NAT type, and download speed. Finish by testing the internet connection. You should see IP, subnet, DNS, and NAT type. You want NAT type 2 for reliable multiplayer. If you have type 3, enable UPnP on the router or forward ports. If the test fails, reboot the router and Ps4, re-enter the password and try 4 GHz if 5 GHz falters. Make sure MAC filtering is off or the Ps4 MAC is allowed. If still stuck, temporarily disable router firewall to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.